Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to use Claude AI Skills for YouTube content creation. So if you're creating YouTube videos regularly, Claude Skills can help you generate video ideas, write scripts, create titles, improve thumbnails, research topics, and build a much faster content flow. So by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to create and use Claude Skills to streamline your YouTube content creation. So first thing first, what are Claude skills? So if you were to head into customize here, once you click on the customize option and click on create new skills, you're going to be taken to the Claude skill creator. So we have a create skill here by default, but if you click on the plus and click on create skill and select the option to write your skill instructions, you can basically create your skill here. So back to the definition of what Claude skills are. Claude skills are reusable instructions and knowledge that can help Claude perform specific tasks more consistently. Think of them as specialized assistants that you can create for a recurring workflow. For YouTube creators, that means you can build skills specifically for your video ideas, your script writing, SEO optimization, thumbnail concepts, audience research, and content planning. So, in order to access this part, all you need to do is just follow the steps I gave, which is to click on the customize, click on skill, and then click on the plus here and click on create skill. You could create with Claude where you have a conversation and then take notes of that and just creates a skill for you, or you click on write skill instruction and actually create your skill using these options. All right, so how do you go about creating a YouTube content skill creator? Basically, you need to give it a name. So we could just give it a name, which is the YouTube content creator. So we have that now. And now the next step we're going to be taking is giving it a description. So the description is it helps generate YouTube video ideas. All right, so now for the instructions, we can go with something like this. It should act as a professional YouTube strategist. It generates high retention video ideas, compelling titles, engaging scripts, thumbnail concepts, and SEO friendly descriptions. Focus on beginner friendly explanations and audience engagements. And then we can also include that it only activates, this way we're making it a unique skill. It only activates when the word tutor is included in a prompt at the beginning. All right, so we have a activator here that only starts at the beginning of a prompt. So when this word is included to the rest of the prompt, it activates as, a professional YouTube strategist. All right, so we've added our details, we've added our descriptions, and these instructions actually tell Claude exactly how I want the AI to behave. And then we can now begin generating our video ideas. So once your skill is ready, you can start generating content ideas. An example of this would be generate 20 YouTube video ideas about AI tools for beginners. So first things first, let's just save the skill. And once the skill has been saved, we can head back into the new chat and just simply delete this first and type out the generate 20 YouTube video idea. Once that's been typed out, just go ahead and hit enter, and it's going to begin generating the YouTube ideas for your channel. And with this, you can now create your YouTube scripts. So one of the most powerful uses of a YouTube skill is a script creation. So we can just include the word tuto and then ask it to you know start generating scripts for us. So it can begin generating our scripts by just, including the activator and then saying create scripts for any topic on the above list and just hit enter. And it's going to go ahead and create scripts for any topic. So I'll act as a professional YouTube strategist for this one since the skill is active. So how long should the scripts be? Let's say 5 to 10 minutes, casual and funny. And it has begun creating. So here is a full script for this. So it opens up with the script, a hook, and a thumbnail worthy moment, shows a blank cheap ChatGPT script with a confused emoji overlay. So everything is good here. So Claude can then generate introductions, explanations, transitions, and call to actions by just including that into your skill. As you can see here, it says it would act as a professional YouTube strategist because I added tutor first. All right, so you can also generate clickable titles by just simply, prompting it to generate you 20 clickable YouTube titles for your tutorials. And then when you scroll through, you could also ask it to create SEO friendly descriptions. You could ask it to create your thumbnail ideas and also build you a content calendar. That way, you're always up to date with your latest videos, you're always on time, and you always post. And then you can create multiple specialized skills. You're not limited to one skill. So when you head back into customize and click on create new skill, you can go about creating as many skills as you want. You can always download your skill and have it uploaded when you log into a different account by uploading that skill back. And you can also follow through with editing. So you could edit the skill. You could also try it in chat by clicking on try. All right, guys, so that's how to use Claude AI skills for YouTube content creation in 2026. By creating specialized skills for ideas, scripts, titles, thumbnails, and planning, you can significantly speed up your content workflow and stay consistent with your publishing schedule. And that's about it. So if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.